for Mr. Don, I'm a junk collector. There is sawdust down there and pieces of wood. There's that old hard 2x4. That was the hardest 2x4 I'd ever cut. I don't know what kind of wood it was, but man, I'll tell you what, it was hard. Anyway, Don was wanting to know what kind of tools I use. So here is the whole selection from the top to bottom. For a saw, I use my saber saw, jigsaw, whatever you want to call it. I have interchangeable blades for it. Metal, wood, scrolling, you know, all that stuff. There's my speed square. Use that a lot. There's my drywall screws. That's what I've been using to put it together. And if we move over here, this is my main drill, screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. I use this more than anything. I'll drill a small hole with a little dirt drill there, and then the bigger hole is for the screw to go through, that goes through the one board into the other. And that's what I use for that. Of course, that's a level. You've seen that on there. Of course, I use a clamp every once in a while. And there's my tape measure. And of course, my wood glue. And for jobs where these don't fit, I have a drill index there. I also have a drill chuck for this here that I can use with that if I want. Now, I did buy a new drill, and there it is. I just haven't used it for this project yet, but I may do it. I like to put one of the drill bits, the bigger drill bits, in one of them. It just makes it a lot easier than changing bits. But that's so easy to change bits with. You just pull one out and slide one in. It's not that hard. And but anyway, this one's the new one I bought, and I've only charged it one time, so it may need a recharge. I don't know. I haven't used it that much though. So really, that's about it. I work from in here, as you've seen the sawdust on the floor. And you can see sawdust there too. Sawdust gets everywhere. If anybody's sawed much, they know that. But anyway, that's pretty much it, Don. That's the tools I use to put this together. You see, I have the board laying up here to stack everything on. I'm getting ready to cut that tomorrow and make my shelf, which is down there. But I'm getting ahead of myself. So anyway, these are the tools that I do use, and really that's about it. Like I say, I sit here in my chair and cut most all my wood, and this old let me get this without killing myself. This piece of this is what's left of the 2x4. This thing was hard as a rock. I've never sawed one that hard, I don't think, before. I'm used to pine type, that will saw real easy, but that did not saw easy at all. But it was even hard to drill. The drills had some problems with it too, but thankfully I've got all those sawn and done now, so don't have to worry about that. Anyway, that's it. So, like I say, I wanted to add this to the video so you can see what I use. And I may try to capture some video of me actually doing some work tomorrow for you while I do it. While I cut this, maybe. If I can set up the tripod or something. But anyway, that's about it for now. So, we'll get back with you later. Alright, this is a Friday morning. What we have here is the Don wanted to see some action photos, I guess, so that's what we're doing. Over here, this little board here that's right in between here and here, I just put that in. This next step is going to be me laying the sheeting on top and clamping it down on this side where it's even, and then marking it out with the marker so I can saw it out. So that's what we're doing. Alright, that one's on. And we'll put one down on this end. Do the same thing. Alright, that's secure now. Now, like I said, next step is to mark out around the edge and give me an idea of where I'm cutting. So, I'm going to do that next. May speed some of this up. Wally will love that, won't you, Wally? That should do it. See what we got now. Alright, there you go. That's where our saw marks are. Saw that out, and that should do it. Around this way, around this way, around this way, and that. That'll do it. Don't know if I'm going to saw it on camera. We may. So I can put it over there far enough to get it out of the way of everything. But yet still have it somewhat supported. Try it a little bit and see what happens. Yeah, I got a little in on that. It's difficult to do. There it is for me anyway. Yeah, that's not too bad. Better than I thought it would be. I think I better go in from this way. Figure out what I'm doing. So this is the piece I want to keep. That's kind of important because I almost was going to saw right through there and that didn't work. Huh. That would not be good. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I may try to drill a hole down through there and come over this way. I need to mark this out so I know what's what. You guys still recording? Yeah, I guess you are, aren't you? Now if I move that over enough, I think I can get the whole thing down through there. Well, I'll tell you what, that went way off. That's the bad side at least. Well, I need more space. I think if I bring it back this way, that would be a better deal. Alright, let's see what's next. I need a couple more holes here and here. Alright. I think I may take a break here and eat a bowl of noodles. Take some pills. I think it's past time. I know it is. Yep, 50 minutes past time. That's alright. We'll come back and finish this up later. This is how I work here, guys. I do a little bit like this and I take a break.